At isang pamilya tayo dito, malaking pamilya. May mga biglang bumisita rin ng mga kapamilya artists natin na Tatak Star Magic. Mwah! Thank you very much, guys. So, kausapin na rin natin sila dahil nandito na sila ngayon. Please welcome two of Rojas cast members, Kai Montinola and Rans Rifal. Hi! Please join me here. Okay, nagbabatian pa po silang lahat dahil guys, ito na nga, dumaan din sila dito. Hello! Hi, Kai! Galinda and Elphaba in one. I love your posts. And Rans, hello! Hi! Thank you sa pagdaan, guys, sa Star Magic Spotlight PressCon Year-Ender Special. Okay, so for those who don't know, this show is a monthly MediaCon that we do to update our mga kapamilya kung ano na ba yung mga latest sa lives ng ating favorite Star Magic artists. So thank you for joining us, Kai and Rans. Would you like to greet everyone, please?
Hello everyone, good morning guys. Dito pala.
Good afternoon na, good afternoon.
Afternoon na. Good afternoon everyone, it's me, Kai again, and I'm joined here with...
Rans, hello po. Good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Thanks for having us and we're so excited.
Yay! Okay, congratulations on Roja!
Thank you po.
Nanonood ba kayo ng Roja,
Nanood
guys?
ba kayo?
Nood kayo, guys. Sobrang ganda.
Streaming na siya sa Netflix. Okay, so for those who don't know, ano yung Roja? Sino mga kasama nyo doon na cast members? Go ahead.
Yes, Roja po is... ang star namin dito is si Donnie and si Kyle. Of course, kasama din naman sila Sir Joel Torre, Miss Lorna Tolentino, Miss Janice de Belen, at sobrang dami pa po. Yeah. And of course, syempre, I'm with Kai, yung mga new stars din namin. And Roja po is about, parang nasa island kami, tapos nagkaroon ng hostage taking. Tapos, yun nga, so pinapakita na din doon na parang may background kung bakit nangyayari yun. So may mga nadamay din ng mga tao. Yes. And parang mayayaman din yung mga tao doon no? Kasi ang lalaki ng mga patong sa kanila.
VIP.
Kasi para naman magkaroon ng private island, talagang mayayaman yun, no? Okay, so ano yung roles nyo dito sa Roja?
I play Ice Mercado. She's an influencer alongside with Bog Slim na is played by Emilio Daez and AC Bonifacio as Jewel Santos. So, dun kami, influencers with Mama Ona, played by Silhouette. Mga influencers kami dun sa La Playa Roja and we're VIPs, kaya kami na-hostage din. Pero, aabangan nyo kung anong mangyayari sa kanila individually kasi dun talaga malalaman mo kung bakit sila alive or bakit sila endangered?
Yes. Yes, ako naman po dito si Nurse Claire. Private nurse po ako ni Miss Sandy Andolong. Wife po siya ni Sir Robert Senya. Na meron din kaming background. Kaming dalawa ni Sir Robert Senya. Hindi lang ako private nurse. So, abangan nyo yun, guys.
Ano ba
Medyo
yan?
mainit-init.
Grabe, so ano to, no? Mind-boggling kind of show na talagang dapat abangan nila kung ano ba yung reasons behind what's happening.
Yes.
Okay, so you play an influencer, I think very close din naman sa ginagawa mo in real life. You play a nurse, meron ka bang ginawang parang background check or research?
Naging nurse na po ako sa senior high and high street. So,
so alam mo na, sanay ka na.
so parang medyo alam ko na ako parang gumala as nurse.
Okay. So guys, syempre kahit na medyo heavy yung genre or yung theme ng show, I'm sure sobrang fun nung set. So can you share with us, may memories, favorite memories ba kayo dun sa Roja?
No, actually kasi, kaya nga, as we said, we're a big cast.
Yeah.
Sobrang dami.
So, every week, we have rest days.
Okay.
And in those rest days, we like to spend time with each other as a cast. So, we do game nights.
Game night.
Like what?
Board games.
Mga board games. At sobrang competitive ng Roja cast. Like,
Sobra.
super. And I'm surprised, Rans is also very competitive but very calm.
Wow.
Yeah, very calm si,
Yeah, yung-
si Rans. Kasi yung mga boys talaga, di ba? They're
super
so
competitive
they're
sila.
so
Sino
competitive.
pinaka-competitive sa boys?
Nako,
Emilio.
Emilio.
And Kyle. Actually,
Emilio,
tatlo
Donnie,
lang tatlo.
Kyle. Emilio, Donnie,
Sobrang
Kyle.
competitive. Mga game masters namin sila.
Like, it's already like at night na ha, we've game night nga eh, di ba? Pero super loud nila. It's like, guys, let's put our voice down kasi sobrang competitive talaga nila. And it's just a board game. But to them, it's not just a board game.
Yes. Opo.
Kaya
Tapos
yun.
parang meron pa yan, okay, next Friday ulit all one na. Parang ganyan. Hindi yan nagkakalimutan.
Nagtatali
Yes.
ng ano, ng score. So,
Yeah.
wait, anong mga board games to? Like, ano ba to? Individual scoring? Team-team ba kayo? Sino
It's
magkakampi?
by team.
Sino magkakakampi?
Noong unang night kasi,
Noong una
nagkaroon
si
ng
Emilio
nagkaroon-
versus Donnie's team.
Yes.
Oh, Emilio versus
Donnie's
Donnie.
team. Kasi di mo as much as Liam and Olsen is against each other in the show, Kyle and Donnie are like brothers in real
Yes.
life. So, di mo sila mapapaghiwalay. So, that's why it's Emilio versus Donnie's team. So.
Oh.
And I'm glad to say I'm
Yes.
with Rans in
Team
one
kaming
team.
dalawa.
Teammates kayo. So,
Yes.
so far, meron bang nakakalamang or tight ba yung
Oh.
tally ng score? May
Actually-
kulelat ba?
Yung una, di ba, it was tie.
Yeah, it was tie. Tapos
Tie
parang,
yung una. The next rest day naman,
yes.
parang lumamang sila.
Lumamang sila. Tapos,
Then
naging
we
tie
clutch.
na, yeah.
Nag-clutch ulit sa next rest day. Kami naman yung lumamang.
Wow, parang ang saya-saya
Ang saya.
ng Rohasen.
Super saya, actually.
Okay, since you are part of a huge cast, meron pa ba kayong naiisip na, ay, sana magawa ko rin to with this artista someday? Like, sino yung mga dream ninyong artista to work with after Roha?
ako talaga si Sir Joel Torre talaga.
Joel Torre?
Yes, sinasabi ko yan lagi sa kanya. Kasi nako-work ko na rin siya sa Dirty Linen eh. Pero hindi pa kami nagka-eksena talaga. So dito sa Roha, Sir Joel, gusto ko maka-work, maka-eksena talaga. So looking forward talaga ako.
Kung magkaka-project kayo na iba ni Sir Joel, gusto mo ba siya maging tatay?
Tatay.
Maging
Ayan.
tatay.
Oo, ang ganda nun. Tatay.
Yes. Okay. How about you, Kai?
Ako naman si Sir Raymond. Sir Raymond Bagaching. Kasi,
Oh.
yeah, when I first met him kasi, I was intimidated. Kasi sobrang, he's very well off. Like,
Yeah.
ganun yung stance niya. But when I got to know him more, especially sa taping namin, kasi lock-in, he's very funny. He's very sweet.
I agree.
May sarili siyang music taste. Tapos, I listen to his music. I'm like, wow, you're different. Pero ibang-iba siya as Liam's father in Roha. So parang, it's just very interesting for me for someone to transform that easily. So sana maging, ko din siya, maka-work ko din siya in the future.
Ang cute. Nag-bond kayo over music, which of course
Honestly,
we know is
yes,
a big
I
part
love
of your
music.
life also.
Yeah.
Okay, for Kai, is it true na super close daw kayo ni Kyle? Kai and Kyle. Oo.
Kyle.
Kyle. Oo. Kyle.
Well, super close naman talaga kami ni Kyle ever since pa nung nakilala ko siya for MMK. Kasi dun pa lang, kailangan talaga namin i-establish that we're comfortable with each other. We're comfortable to work with each other. Kasi as actors and actresses na parang we need to have this connection on screen, we also need the connection off screen. So, he's a great friend. And knowing that baguhan pa lang ako dito sa industry, I'm learning a lot from him and his friends and a lot of, even Rans. Madami ako nakukuha sa mga actors dun sa Roha. So, yes, I can safely say that he is a very close friend of mine.
Ooh, how about you, Ran? Sinong pinaka naging close mo naman sa set?
Kai! Siya talaga. Kasi,
I love Rans!
yeah, I love her. Kasi, well, marami naman na akong kilala talaga sa set. Pero kasi si Kai, natatandaan ko nung first night din nung board game. Kasi parang nag-bond na sila eh. Parang late kasi ako pumasok. Tapos parang, kilala ko naman sila, pero ako talaga, knowing me, parang kahit kilala ko na sila, nahihiya pa rin ako
Yeah.
pag first time ko lang sila ulit makita. And that night, Kai was by my side talaga the whole night.
Yeah, 'cause I
And
could
after,
see her.
yeah, and
I could see
after
she's
nun,
I don't know what to do.
Tapos super competitive nila. Tapos parang, okay. Si Kyle, okay lang yan. Go. Super. So after nun, kami na palagi. It's like,
Yeah.
lagi na kami nagbabond
We're
ni
in the
Kyle.
same, we're in the same vibe. If everyone's like here, our wavelength is like right over here.
Tapos kami lang yung nagkakaintindihan nung dalawa.
It's okay, let them do their thing.
Wavelength yan, no? Hindi energy. Kasi obviously, ang taas ng energy nyo rin.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Just in
okay.
the same wavelength. Yeah.
Okay, now let's talk about yung mga things na hopeful kayo for 2026. Because this is the year-ender special ng Star Magic Spotlight Press Con. So, we want to talk about 2026. Ano yung mga manifestations ninyo for 2026? What are you hopeful for?
Ako, I'm hopeful, syempre for more projects,
Yeah,
syempre. Tapos, yun, more projects pa.
More
Kasi
projects
excited talaga ako. Talagang happy ako na marami akong nakukuha projects ngayon. And talagang sineseryoso at sinasapuso ko talaga ang bawat mga projects na nakukuha ko. So excited ako. Gusto ko maging busy talaga yung buong 2026 ko. Ayoko pa magpahinga. Wow.
Siyempre, pag tuloy-tuloy yan dapat sa 2026. How about you,
Honestly.
Kai?
Ako din naman, I think as an artista, we all wish for more projects. But aside from more projects, more happiness, more blessings, hindi lang para sa sarili ko, but sa lahat. Even like as a country, world peace, sana din people will get as much blessings as we will get. Kasi sa 2025, ang dami na naming nakuhang blessings. So sana in the next year, tutuloy-tuloy pa yun. Tutuloy-tuloy pa yun. And yeah, yun lang. Happiness for everybody.
Super cute, super adorbs. Okay. So now, I know, in-starbo lang namin kayo kasi talagang biglang, okay, napadaan lang sila. So, I won't keep you any longer. But what's your message to everyone watching right now? Let's start with you, Rans. Anong message mo sa lahat ng mga nanonood? Invite them to watch. Go ahead.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nakatutok ngayon. And thank you po for having us. And of course, don't forget, Roha, now streaming on Netflix. Napakaganda po nitong Roha na to. Pinaghirapan namin to at talagang love na love namin to. So sana po abangan nyo. Marami pang mga mangyayari.
Dami
Madugo
pa.
at ma-action.
Yay. And by the way, guys, congratulations nga pala, Rans. You're the best supporting actress for MMFF. Wait, can you help me say this? Maupay. Kun maupay.
Kung maupay man it panahon.
Kun maupay man it panahon.
That's in Waray. Opo.
Yes.
What's the meaning?
Whether the weather is fine.
Oo. So I'm sure marami pa kaming dapat abangan na projects for
Thank you
you.
po.
We're so happy for you. And now naman, before we let you speak, Kai, before we give the floor to her, it's a must, syempre, to sing a happy birthday song for her. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday ko ba?
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Bibilis to
Happy birthday to me.
Tan, 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 tan.
Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey, hey.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wow.
Make a wish.
Hindi ko pa... Ay, sige. Mag-wish muna ako. Yay! Thank you! Thank you so much.
Okay, now would you like to say a message?
Ayun nga, thank you guys so much sa mga sumasubaybay.
Sumusubaybay.
Sumusubaybay.
So
Sa
cute.
Roha at sa everything ng mga ginapabos ko. Thank you so much. And again, as Rance has said, Roha is still there, still showing, and it's on Netflix at it's also in Kapamilya.
Yes.
Kapamilya online. So sa mga
I
walang
Want. Yeah.
and I Want sa mga walang Netflix dyan, mapapanood mo yan sa Kapamilya Live. And again, thank you guys. It's my birthday today, apparently. And
In
I am-
2 days, in 2 days.
In 2
yes.
in 2
December
days.
12 ka, di ba?
Yes.
Oh, kasi
12.
December 10 today.
Oh. Yeah, yes, well.
Ilan taon ka na ba? 19?
19.
Yeah, magna-19 na siya. Oh my
OMG!
God.
So dalaga.
So
yes.
young.
And in relation to that, as a 19-year-old, as an upcoming 19-year-old, I am so thankful. I'm so blessed. Thank the Lord. Thank you for the people that continue to support me. Without you guys, I wouldn't have become the person I am, where I am right now. So thank you at please do keep watching Roha. Ang dami pang mangyayari at subaybayan natin ang Roha.
Cute. Yeah.
Alright, thank you so much guys sa pagdaan. At dahil dyan, I think may na-inspire na dumaan din dahil meron pa tayong mga kasama. May mga dumaan pa after them. Wag po kayong aalis. But thank you very much, Kai and
you so
Ran.
much.
Thank you so much. And congratulations on Roha.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you sa pagdaan.